Welcome this video. Backyard patio. Makeover on a budget. Transforming your outdoor space without break the bank. Create a relax and beautiful backyard patio. Do not have cost and fortune. With some created skill and statement plants, you can give your plants a stream makeover on the target budget, whether your work with connect or a smart depth area. This guesswork with throwing smart, affordable idea to transforming your outdoor space into a backyard hen. Start with a clean before your beginning and makeover. Stand by give your patio that clean. Wash your face, remove weak and clean and furniture or decor image. You also some time and good clean by new life into a throat space. Stick and boho. Wash my friend off by one. Use various throwing and connective. Use print for instant. Plants is one of the most cost-effective way to make a big definition. You can print patio wood, Drape old plants, pouch, and even functional. Use outdoor sting for durable functional repurposed chairing or table instant or replace